Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own spot welding machine using few 6.8K microfarad capacitors. And also I will provide your circuit diagram and also the PCB layout design for easy assembly. First just pre-solder the pins of all capacitors. Use copper wire from 7-core cable. And connect all the negative pins together. Then with another piece of copper wire, connect all positive pins together. Now place the capacitors on small board, and use a small 9-volt step-down transformer. Use a 307 bridge rectifier, and solder the positive with positive of capacitors. Use one N5408 diode, and solder between negative of capacitors and bridge rectifier negative pin. Then solder transformer output to AC pins of bridge rectifier. Now use 1 kilo ohms resistor, and solder on positive of capacitors. Use 5 LED for capacitor charging indicator. Solder LED between resistor and negative of capacitors. Now use 1 copper enamel wire, and make small pieces like this. After stripping one end, apply little flux, and pre-solder these ends. Use 4 to 8 copper cables to make welding probes. Apply the flux and pre-solder the connections. And like this, solder the copper tips with cables. Use heat shrink tubes to insulate the welding tips like this. Then use bigger heat shrink tubes to fully insulate with cable. Now our welding probes are now ready. Connect the welding probes directly with capacitors. Again use heat shrink tubes on input of transformer. Use this type of AC plug, and connect with transformer. Now connect it into the AC outlet. And once you will see the LED glowing, you are ready to spot welding. Like shown, place one probe on battery surface and touch another probe on nickel strip. To fuse perfectly you need to weld 4 to 5 spots. This will cause nickel strip to fuse with battery surface. I then made another improved version with more powerful welding spots, and with more stronger joints. To avoid messing up on pref board, I first designed the PCB layout for this project, and in order to manufacture this PCB, just go to the video description and with this link, sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your Gabber file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. Quality and lead time is reliable, all in-house production, ensuring stability and strict quality control in every process, and lightning fast PCB production, in just 24 hours. And then you can save to the cart for the checkout process. Also don't miss JLC PCB's 6-layer PCB special, get $30 off with a coupon, and enjoy top quality 6-layer PCBs, plus 2 UENIG finish, and no engineering fees for wire-in pads. For easy assembly, I ordered the PCBs from JLC PCB. Get 1 to 8 layer PCBs for just $2. Efficient large scale production reduces costs, and bringing you PCBs in unbeatable prices. And then I prepared the PCB for its components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB according to the circuit diagram. After spending some time with soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. And our PCB looks nice and clean. And with the same way before, pre-solder all the capacitor pins together. And using 7-core copper wire, solder all capacitors in parallel like this. But this time get 2 extension output pins from capacitors like this. Now connect these capacitors with PCB like I connected. And solder with PCB. This time use 2 ampere 909 volt transformer, and connect the output wires into this connector. Use 3 mm bolts, and insert into the output holes. Connect welding probes with 5 mm thimbles and secure with the nuts at its place. Here is the circuit diagram for reference. And now connect the transformer with AC, and you are ready to spot weld. Just place the nickel strip on battery, and with the same method as before, one probe on battery surface, and another probe on nickel strip. And you can see it perfectly welds with strong joints. Now let's test with another battery. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.